everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza if you're new around here, and today's video is going to be an Ikea haul. So I did film an Ikea come shop with me to show you what's new in store. So if you would like to see that before you watch this one, then I'll leave the link down below for you so you can just go and see what is new in Ikea. But today's video I'm going to show you exactly what I bought when I went on that shopping trip, and I got loads of good bits actually. Usually when I go to Ikea everything is a little bit samey for me, but because it's been such a long time, I saw so many gorgeous bits. Great bits for the garden, great bits for the home, so I'm very excited to share them with you today. So if you want to see what I bought from Ikea, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Also, I'm just sat on the floor in my bedroom because I literally have nowhere to like sit and film really at the minute, so I hope you don't mind this boring setup. Anyway, let's get into the video. The first thing I want to show you is right in front of me, and I just love them so much. And I got these cushions for outside, so these are like outdoor cushions. I think you can have them outdoor or indoor, to be honest. And they're this gorgeous olive green stripe, like they're cream and olive green. Also, sorry if I sound really congested, I think I've either got hay fever or a sore throat. I've had it for about a week now, and oh my god, it's so annoying, but it is going. But in the mornings I'm always worse, so if you can hear that in my voice, then sorry. But anyway, back to the cushions. I love these so much. These are just gonna look beautiful outside in the garden because I've got some pink cushions out there at the minute, but I just wanted to switch it up a little bit and go for something a little bit more simple and plain. And I just love the olive green stripe. I thought that was really nice. So yeah, I just really love those. I can't quite remember the prices. If I can, what I'll do is I'll link everything down below for you. But I just want to get into the video and show you what I got today. So another thing I got was this light actually for the kitchen. Now this again you're not really going to be able to see, so what I'll do is I'll pop a picture up. It's just a simple kind of strip light, as you can see here, for the kitchen, because at the moment we've got this huge like spidery metal light, and I just wanted something different for the kitchen. When I saw this in Ikea, I thought actually that could work really well, and it's in kind of more of like a beigey colour, so fingers crossed that works well. I will show you in a vlog soon when Mark puts it up, or maybe it's already up. If it is, I'll put the video down below for you. But yes, what else did I get? I got some colouring pens for the boys. Mark actually picked up 2 of these packs by accident, but that's absolutely fine because we get through these so quickly. But these pens are actually really good. These are the Marla pens, and they're super cheap. I think they're literally like £1 or something. I don't know if I've got the receipt in here, have I? No, I don't think so. They also had so many plants in Ikea this time around, so loads of different faux plants, and this was a new one that I spotted. I've not seen this one in there before, and it's quite big, which I thought was great. They also had loads and loads of plant pots as well. So this one is it part of the, oh, it doesn't even say. There's literally no tags on anything today. But anyway, this was the plant that I picked up first, so I thought this could work really well anywhere in the house really where I want to add a pop of green, which I do really like. I also got this plant. I think I'm going to put this one in Vinny's bedroom. So first of all, actually no, not the plant, I'm not sure where I'm going to put this. I found this plant in there first, which is green, and it's got a bit of purple on there as well, which I thought was really pretty on the leaves. And it's just, they just look so realistic, these plants. I can't believe that they're fake. Ikea is the best for fake plants, I think. I also bought this, which was really beautiful. So it's just a little plant pot, and it's got this kind of really gorgeous detail on it, and then this kind of edge, which I love as well. I don't really know what the term is for that, but again, I thought this would look really pretty in there. It could either work really nicely in the kitchen or just dotted around the house really. I'm not sure. It would look quite nice in the bathroom as well, but our bathroom isn't done yet. That is another job that we've got to do in the future, which I cannot wait to do. I just really want to do the bathroom, but I don't want to rush a decision. That's what I did with the last one. And I just want to make sure that everything we want, I just want to make sure that everything we do in there, we do it right the first time. And I just have no idea what I want to do in there. I've got so many different ideas, so I'm just waiting it out until something just comes to me and I'm like, yes, that is definitely what we want to do. So yeah, the bathroom is something I'm dying to get done because it's currently like blue, very old, but it works, so it's fine for a minute. But yes, I'm dying to get the bathroom done. I also got this plant pot, so they've got a few of these anyway. I haven't seen them in this colour before. They're usually in that kind of lighter wood colour, so I really like this one. I thought this would be quite nice in Vinny's bedroom, and again you can just pop one of these in there, and then you've got a nice little plant display there, which is really nice. Druve fladder, not sure. I'll link everything down below for you just to make things that little bit easier. I also got, let me show you the boring things because these are boring. I got this for my sink, but it has also got this little suction at the bottom, which is quite nice, so it won't fall down. You can just pop it onto the side. So I actually just got this just so I can scrub the sink area after doing my washing up and stuff. So I got one of those in pink. Mark picked up another dustpan and brush because we always need those. And I think literally they're really cheap, they're probably only £1. We also got some LED lights, so these are obviously for the kitchen light that we bought. So we've got 3 of those there. These are Lidar LEDs. As I mentioned, they've got so many lovely plants, but they also have loads of gorgeous flowers as well. These are all really cheap. I think they're literally like 75p each or something like that. Probably cheaper, maybe 50p, I'm not sure. But I just picked loads of them up because I loved the colours. Pink is obviously one of my faves. And I just thought these would look lovely dotted around the house. So you could either put like a couple into like a nice glass jar, or you can just put them all together with a bit of eucalyptus just to create a really lovely flower arrangement. So yeah, they had these are like carnations. I got some pink ones and white ones, which are so pretty. Really, really gorgeous. I think that was all. And then, oh, these ones as well are peony ones, so they had some peonies as well. What I like in Ikea is, where my Ikea, they've got like a little, you know how they have like all the different displays and stuff and like the different rooms? Well, in my Ikea they've got like a little cafe slash florist, and it's obviously got all of their flowers displayed in there, and it's so pretty, and it always makes me want to buy flowers in there. They had some really gorgeous bright pink lilies. They had so many different flowers in there, and yeah, I thought that was really nice because they actually they've put more flowers in there than usual for sure, and they've got lots of different colours as well. But these were my favourites that I picked up. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I just, you know, when you see things and you're just like, oh, I need to get that. So I got that. We also got for the garden a cute watering can for Orlando and the boys because they love to help us water the flowers. And when we saw this, we were like, oh my god, that is so cute. Again, there's no name on this one, but I liked the colour of it, this kind of turquoise. I only saw this colour. They did also have a really lovely, like flowers. You know those little watering cans that they have like the really thin spout on? I'm not really sure what they're called, but I think they're just more for plant pots in the house. But these ones I obviously will use outside in the garden, and I'm sure Orlando will absolutely love that when he sees it because I've not shown him it yet. Also in the garden section I saw this, which is like a hanging planter. They also had this in more of like a window basket. A window planter, is that what you call them? A box planter? Window box? A window box, I think it's called, in the same style. But I got this one. It just looks really vintage, really pretty. And then inside you've got the plastic to protect it inside, so you can just plant different plants in it each year. I'm not really sure where I'm going to put this one yet because I haven't got anywhere, no hooks outside really to put one on. We've got one out the front, but we've already got a hanging planter on there, so I need to have a little look of what I'm going to put on here. Let me know what the best hanging planter flowers are actually, because I am not an expert. Usually I get the fake ones, like the fake hanging planters. They already have like flowers all done, but I would like to plant some flowers in here. This one is called the Gallia Melon. But yeah, do let me know what flowers you think I should put in here. It's also an ivory colour, so you can see my top's white. This is more ivory, very pretty, very like cottagey, English country garden. I thought it just looks so nice, so I'm really pleased with that little purchase, but I don't know what to put in there yet, so let me know what you think I should put in there. It's something that's going to last me a while because I'm not very good with plants, as you know. Next we just got another towel. The Ikea towels are one of my favourites to buy. Ikea towels are one of my best buys from Ikea. Absolutely love them. They last ages and they dry you. You know, some towels when they're too thick they don't really dry you, they feel like a microfiber cloth. Do you know what I mean? Whereas these ones, they dry you really well. I'm not sure of the name of this one, but it's got the kind of striped detail on it. This is another one for Mark. He's already got one, but he wanted another one, so I got him one of those. I've got the pink, he's got the grey. We also got, oh, we did also get some microfiber cloths. I think that must have been one of Mark's purchases. So there's just a pack of 2 microfiber cloths in there. And then what else? I picked these up, some rubber gloves, and they've got they had them in loads of different colours. This is cream and pink, just because you can never have too many pairs of rubber gloves. I'm always doing bits and bobs around the house or outside, so I wanted to make sure I had some new rubber gloves. I also got these bowls, so these are more for the garden, but actually I got these for the kids because they're plastic, or I don't know what material they are. Are they plastic? They're not going to break, so that is one plus. Also, you can put them in the dishwasher, amazing, microwave and all of that kind of stuff. So I've got 4 plates here. Again, if you've got people visiting you in the garden this year, obviously we can have people in our gardens now. If you're going to be giving them food and stuff, this is a nice little plate to give it to them on, and you're not going to have any breakages, which is good, because you know what children are like as well. If they're running around or knock something out of your hand, at least you've got something that's not going to break. They also had this in a mint colour, I think, maybe a mint green, but I went for the dark colour so it doesn't show up any marks or stains from food and stuff. Of course, when you go to Ikea, you have to get some dimes. I've done well to keep these ones here for you, actually, because the other packet are gone. They were gone on the first day, actually. So yeah, they don't last very long in this house, so once these are open, they'll be gone again. Next, I got these. So these I wanted to get for these plates. Let me show you. Oh, these are so cute. I wanted to get these as like little pasta bowls or salad bowls for the summer, like, you know, just something nice. We've got 2 like deepish kind of bowls. We've got 2 like deepish plates, but we don't have 4. So I wanted to get 4 really lovely ones for when we're having pasta dishes and things like that. So we have got 4 of them there, and I just love the colour. I just thought these are so Greece holiday vibes, aren't they? They actually look like little Mickey Mouses on there, don't they? Like little Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse ears. So very, very gorgeous, and I loved the colour of them, and they're really simple and pretty. They also had like a whole plate collection that you could buy to go with them, but we only wanted those ones because we don't actually need any more plates. We've got so many plates in this house. I need to go through all of our plates. We've literally got so many. I then bought this mat. So it's one of these kind of big, large seagrassy kind of mat, or jute. Is it seagrass or jute? One of those. I got this for the outside table, just to put in the centre of the table so that I can put something on top of it. Maybe even like a plant like this or something, just to make it look a little bit prettier, because I haven't really got anything on there and it just looks a bit plain and boring. So I got one of those. And then I also bought these. I bought 2 of these, and they're kind of like a display plate, would you say? It's like a, feels like woodeny, plasticky, bamboo-y maybe. I'm not really sure what it's made out of. They had these displayed like on a side table with some little bits inside. They also had them on dining tables and all of that kind of stuff. So if you've got these, let me know what you do with them, what you put on top of them, how you display them, or do you use them for other things, because you could definitely put fruit on these if you wanted to. So I got 2 of those. They were £5 each, I remember that. And then last but not least, no, I've got 2 more things to show you. I've got this gorgeous tray, which doesn't look too gorgeous in this video, but it's so much nicer in person. So this is, oh my god, this is like a reflector. Can you see that? This is a metal tray. Again, I wanted this for outside when we've got people over. I can like bring all the drinks out on this tray. It's really gorgeous, really pretty and chic, and I just thought it was really nice. I liked that it was metal. And I just feel like it's something that will last a long time. So yeah, I went for this tray. And then I also got 2 of these seat cushions for outside as well, because I've got that little bistro set outside, which is currently black. I think I've painted it every year since I've got it, and I'm thinking of painting it again because the black has all chipped off. So I feel like what I need to do is I need to sand it all down and then paint it. And I'm thinking of painting it like, maybe I should go for a colour or something. Maybe I should go for like a green, so it goes really nice with these. Maybe we should go for like a sage green, and then we've got that sage green bistro set with the cream cushions on top. I think that would look so nice. And then you've obviously got these little attachments here so it doesn't fall off, and they're just attached to the bistro set then. Oh, I really want to go and paint that now. Oh, let me know if you think I should paint it. I think I definitely should. Maybe I would have already done it by the time you see this video, because this video is not going to be up for at least a week or so, maybe a week and a half. So yes, that's what I got. I got 2 of those. They've got loads of different colours. They also had baby pink, and I was really tempted to get the baby pink, and then I thought it might not go with everything else that I want to do in the garden. So I went for the creamy kind of oatmeal colour, which again is really pretty and simple as well, which is what I like. So that is everything that I got from Ikea. Actually quite a lot of stuff, isn't it? I think that was quite a lot for me. Usually like you get like big items from Ikea and there's not really much to show you, but I think I got quite a lot of good accessories and bits for the garden as well. Let me know what your favourite item was from the haul. I definitely love this little guy. I think it's very cute, but I think my favourite has to be these. They look even better in person. You can't quite see the colour of them, because the light is kind of drowning them out a bit, but oh, I just love them so much. So I'm very excited to get those out in the garden. I'm going to do that today actually. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you haven't seen my what's new in IKEA video, I will link it down below, and I'll also link all my other IKEA videos down below because I've got loads of them. If you'd like to see any specific IKEA videos, then do request them in the comments down below because I love doing IKEA videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.